Tecno has been making waves in the smartphone industry, and in 2024, they continue to push boundaries with their impressive lineup of devices. Hey guys, Justice Hart here. Welcome to our roundup of the 5 best Tecno phones of 2024. In today's video, we'll explore the latest offerings for Tecno, featuring cutting-edge technology and innovative design that are sure to impress tech enthusiasts. Now, this is not a hands-on video with these devices, but we've carefully selected the top 5 Tecno smartphones based on performance, features, and overall value. Let's dive in. First up, we have the POVA 6 Pro 5G, a powerhouse smartphone designed for performance enthusiasts. Its blazing fast 5G connectivity and robust hardware ensure seamless multitasking and gaming experience. Featuring a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 5G processor and up to 24GB of RAM, the POVA 6 Pro 5G is a top choice for mobile gamers and productivity users alike. Running on Tecno's iOS operating system based on Android 14, it has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 32MP front camera with dual flash, 108 plus 2MP dual camera at the back, and a massive 6000 mAh battery with 70W supercharged speed. Next on our list is the Spark 20 Pro Plus, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. Priced at 375,000 naira, the Spark 20 Pro Plus features stunning design with IP53 water and dust resistance, curved display, dual speakers, and impressive camera capabilities with a 108MP ultra sensing main camera and a G99 Ultra Boost processor. The Spark 20 Pro Plus delivers exceptional image quality and smooth performance. The Spark 20 Pro series also boasts a robust 5000 mAh battery with 33W supercharged support. Now let's talk about the Phantom V Flip 5G, Tecno's innovative foldable smartphone. Priced at 775,000 naira, combining futuristic design with cutting-edge technology, it features a foldable LTPO AMOLED display with variable refresh rates, a MediaTek Dimensity 8050 processor. It also boasts 8GB RAM extendable by 8GB, 256GB worth of storage, a 4000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, a 64MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP front camera, ensuring stunning photos and videos from any angle and a great performance overall. The Phantom V Flip 5G has gone for a circular display on the flip side that is both highly customizable and entertaining. Moving on to the Phantom X2 Pro 5G, Tecno's flagship smartphone, priced at 745,000 naira. This device defines luxury and performance with stunning AMOLED curved display, powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9004nm processor with 256GB worth of storage and 12GB RAM. It features a triple camera setup with 50MP primary, 50MP ultra wide, 13MP wide angle, and a 32MP selfie camera, offering exceptional image quality with a 5160 mAh battery and 45W fast wire charging support. The Phantom X2 Pro 5G keeps you powered up throughout the day. Looking at the Camon 30 Pro 5G, Tecno's latest addition to their camera-centric smartphone lineup. Priced at approximately 600,000 naira, this device offers advanced imaging technology and AI-powered features. Featuring a sleek design and a vibrant 6.78-inch AMOLED display, the Camon 30 Pro 5G provides an immersive viewing experience. Its triple rear camera system features a 50MP wide lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. With a 50MP selfie camera, expect exceptional image quality in any lighting condition. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset and a 24GB RAM and storage options of 256 or 512GB, the Camon 30 Pro 5G ensures smooth performance and seamless multitasking. With a 5000 mAh battery and support for 70W ultra charge, you can go throughout your day with confidence, knowing your device will keep up with your busy schedule. Before we conclude, we must mention the Phantom V Fold, Tecno's futuristic foldable smartphone, priced at 775,000 naira. With its sleek design and advanced folding mechanism, the Phantom V Fold offers a glimpse into the future of mobile technology, featuring a foldable AMOLED display with adaptive refresh rate up to 120Hz. It has a 5000 mAh battery with 45W supercharged support, a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus CPU, paired with 12GB RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB. This device embodies innovation and elegance, equipped with 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, and a 13MP ultra-wide angle camera. It also includes a 16 megapixel front camera on the main screen and a 32 megapixel front camera on the sub screen. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a professional, or someone who appreciates luxury, the Phantom V Fold is sure to elevate your mobile experience to new heights. And there you have it, the 5 best Tecno smartphones of 2024, from powerful performance to innovative design and cutting-edge features. These smartphones represent the pinnacle of mobile technology. Which of these Tecno smartphones caught your attention? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech review and smartphone news. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.